Hello, in this presentation, I will demonstrate the implementation of the book form that stores the book records into the database table. Let's first talk about the web server package and the technologies that I used. So I used the Node.js with the Express as the web server package, SQLite as the database. The SQLite is the fit-based relational database system that also allows standard SQL commands. Then I use the JavaScript as the scripting language, and the front-end form is created using the EJS and the bootstrapping styling. Okay, let's first create a database into our system. So for that I have to write the code like node create db.js. So it will show that the database open and created and table book is ready to use. Okay, now let's talk about the database before inserting any data into it. So let me show you the state of the database before inserting the data. So for in the database, now I'm going to run a code select star from books and going to run this code. As you can see, there is no data inside the book table. Okay, now we'll open the form and try to insert the record with the missing mandatory field. For that, first I have to open form. Let's go. I will remain book name empty and type the author name as a Akash, genre as a science fiction, and try to submit the form. As expected, form giving an error message. So until we filled out all the mandatory fields, the form will not submit the data. Okay, now we're going to try the same inside the books as it saves some data or not. You can see now also there is no data inside the book. Next, I will insert a record in all the mandatory fields properly. So let's go for the book name as a Harry Potter. Author name is J.K. Rowling. Publication date as a 21st July 2001. Then select a genre as a fantasy. Then give the book description as a it is a fantasy novel by J.K. Rowling. Now let's try to submit this form. So as we can see, the form gives an book is inserted successfully message. Also give the data of the book that we save. Also I created one page where we can see all the books that I inserted in the list. So let's check it out. As we can see, the book is stored in the database successfully. Harry Potter, J.K. Rowling. Now, to make sure that our data is stored in database successfully or not, we're going to run a select star from books inside the database itself. Let's try. Select star from books and run the code. Yeah, as you can see, there is a one entry inside the book table. So yes, our data is successfully installed into the database. To summarize, I created a form using EJS, Node.js, and Express that demonstrate both the unsuccessful and the successful data entry into the database. By doing this task, I am able to know how to connect the front end and database to create a one program. Thank you.